here,
Yeah.
if you look one up, you could try to hop across that, but that rock is slick as shit.
Exactly. Anything underwater is going to be slick as shit. This should be okay. You just got to watch your ankle rolling, because once you get over there, you should be okay.
You want to try that?
I can try it.
Try it. You can hold your balance there. I'll try it too.
I've got different shoes than you.
Yeah, that's my other problem.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I bought them for something like this, but they don't have nearly as good a grip.
No. But you got to worry about your ankle getting caught in a rock here and twisting it. Okay, it's slippery as fuck,
Is it?
so just take it slow. And you got one big step.
One slip and I'm fucking...
Yeah, just take it slow. You'll be okay. Once you're over here, you're fine.
You know, I read a book recently about the Lewis and Clark expedition.
Yeah.
They forded these rivers with their boats, and they would carry the boats across while doing this on
I know.
water that was chest deep. Now the question is, can you get back down to the bottom?
Well, see, over here, it shouldn't be that big of a deal.
Huh?
It shouldn't be that big of a
If it's
deal to
shallow,